when it started numbing, I thought when my whole face was numb, like on this side, I was like, oh no, my eyeball's gonna droop. I mean, my eye's gonna droop and be like. I love how nobody listens to me.
I'm listening. I think I had a reaction to that.
Hello guys, what's up? I don't know the last time I vlogged, but I'm super excited because I did not. We have an Ikea. It's kind of far, I think. I don't know how long of a drive it is, but we're going today, and I'm really excited. Like, I have Ikea furniture, that thing, and my bed, but like I've never been to Ikea, and I'm so excited to go. And I currently have a dentist appointment like in 5 minutes. So yeah. Also, I like got rid of so many clothes. We dropped off like a bunch of stuff at Goodwill, and it was like in our hallway and like right in my bedroom, and it was just like a ton of stuff, and we got rid of it, and now I feel like so clean. Like, my room's not that clean, but I feel so clean. I'm like, yes, it's just great. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm probably gonna film when we get to Ikea. First time at Ikea. I'm so excited. Okay. It is, oh, I forgot I have my headphones in. It is currently 8:31. Dave and Buster's was fun.
I don't care.
I'm almost done.
You're trying to be a poet?
Don't listen to her.
It's currently 8:30.
It's not even a good day.
Did I rhyme?
Dave and Buster's was fun. I'm almost done.
I just hit her arm and she's driving. Oh my goodness. I just rhymed. Madie B raps. Ikea was amazing. This might have made me just want to get my license so I can just go out and drive places. I'm still terrified though. Okay. Peace out, Girl Scout.